Hello guys, we're gonna learn how to manipulate cookies. So the first thing to do is to go and create a new project. It's a web application project. We give the name cookie, click next and then finish. Now we go to a page and delete the index.jsp file. Then we go to source packages and we add a Java package. We call it servlets. Then we click on servlets and add a Java package, Java servlet. We call it servlet1. Click finish. Now we click on the name of our project. We go to other, web, and add a web.xml file. Finish. Now we're gonna edit our web.xml file. We're gonna add two main tags, servlet and servlet mappings. The tag servlet contains two tags, servlet name and servlet class. In this tag we're gonna identify our servlet by a name and relate that name with the class of the servlet. And in the servlet mapping we're gonna have two tags, servlet name and URL pattern. So we're gonna use the name of the servlet and relate it with the URL of the servlet. It's like we relate the class and the URL of the servlet using the servlet name. So here I'm gonna give the name of the servlet servlet1. The servlet class, its name is servlet1 and it's in the package servlets. So we write servlets.servlet1. The URL pattern is the URL that we're gonna access our servlet in the navigator. And to finish, in the web.xml we create a tag welcome file list. It's gonna contain another tag, welcome file. And here we're gonna put the URL pattern of our servlet, so that the first time we execute our project, it's gonna direct us to the servlet. So that's it for the web.xml file. Now we're gonna edit the servlet class. So first thing to do, we're gonna change the text in the method process request. We're gonna do a little test. We put the message nous sommes dans CF1 créé, and we will run the project to see the result. So we have the message that we put, nous sommes dans CF1 créé. That means we are in the servlet and the welcome file tag is working fine. Next step, we're gonna create a form that has two text inputs, one for the name and one for the value. And then we're gonna use the name and the value later for the cookies. we'll give the method post for the forum, and in the action here we put the URL pattern specified in the file web.xml. This way, when you click on the button submit, it's gonna direct us to the servlet. So now we're creating an import for the name of the cookie to none. We'll give it a type text and the name none. By the way, the name of the input is very important, as the most of you know, since you are watching this video. I think most of you know that the name of the input is very important here. I will explain that later for the ones who doesn't know its information. And now we're gonna give the name value, that means the value of the cookie. This way we have two input text, one for the name and one for the value of the cookie that will be created later. That's all for the form. Now, since we specified the method post in the form, then we're gonna write our code in the do post method of the servlet. First thing, we're gonna set the content of the response to the text /HTML. We're gonna create our print writer. Response pointer writer. Now we're gonna make a little test to see if when we click the submit button, what will happen. We click the submit button, nothing happened. The error here is that we have a block try catch. At the end of that block we have out dot close. That means we closed the print writer. We shouldn't close it because we use it later for the message. And now, as we see, we have the message. Now we're gonna import the class cookie to the servlet. We write import javax.servlet.http.cookie. Then we go to the method to post. We'll continue to create the code when the button submit is clicked. So when submit is clicked, we will create a table of cookies that contains all the cookies in this website. This is the first step. So when the button submit is clicked, we create a table of cookies. Then we check if the table of cookies is not null. If it is not null, it means that the navigator has one or more cookies for this website. So in that case, we're gonna show all the name and values of the cookies available. So we get the name of the cookie by the method getName, and we get the value of the cookie by the method getValue. And now we're going to create a cookie. So the first step after clicking on the button submit was to list all the cookies available in the navigator. And now the second step is to create a cookie. A cookie accepts two parameters, a name and a value. These two parameters are of course the values of the two input text that we have created before. And finally we do response.addCookie to add the cookie to the navigator. And we run our project to see the final result. So as you see, the cookies is being added successfully to the navigator. So thank you guys for watching, until the next video.